Today we're going to be talking about silent sanctuary in the villages. Yep, soundproofing. I'm Jim, your 352 realtor. The villages is famous for its unparalleled active lifestyle, but let's be honest. That same vibrancy of the ping of the pickleball court and the hum of the golf court and the lively music in the squares can sometimes follow you right to your living room. The challenge? Embrace that community energy by curating your own space of tranquility. If your peace is being disrupted, start by identifying the source. Is it the external traffic? Is it neighborly chatter? Or is it external echoes or internal echoes of those hardwood floors? To fortify your fortress, remember the golden rule. Residents recommend double pane insulated glass over acrylics for lanais. Not only does it damper the noise, but it classifies as a Type 3 sunroom. Might even save you some taxes. Before you begin, here's your soundproofing success checklist I recommend. Number 1, confirm ARC approval. Nearly all external mods, windows, walls, and fences require submitting applications before work starts. Number 2, check insulation types. If you're upgrading attic insulation, cellulose is the top contender for acoustic control. 3, audit your pipes, meaning washer and dryer, so on and so forth. Reset those stops so those annoying thuds and bangs stop. 4, verify your window specs. Stick to double pane or hurricane resistance for true acoustic barrier. 5, and lastly, plan your landscape. Use staggering rows of dense hedges to deflect sound before it hits your walls. Reclaim your quiet. You've earned it. I'm Jim, your 352 realtor in the villages.